Hi, this is Lisa, and we're doing a science experiment, and it is the mass car, or whatever it's called,
The Newton car.
The Newton car, as you can see right there. So, this is a empty medicine bottle, and what we're going to do, and since we have some string right here and a rubber band, we're going to take this empty medicine bottle and we're going to put it right here. And I'm just going to raise this a little bit higher. Then, when I flick this, this is going to go flying.
Okay, but what is your car made out of?
It's made out of a clothes hanger right here.
Okay, cut up clothes hanger for the dowels.
Yep.
And what's the car itself made out of?
Wood.
Wood. Okay.
Wood block.
Wood. And some straws for the rollers. And we put the car on the straws, or as I say, the rollers. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our finger and flick this, and this empty medicine bottle, we put it right here, and it's going to go flying. Ready?
But hold on, honey. But remember you don't want to hold this. Remember, the object of the experiment is to demonstrate Newton's law of physics that that this piece of mass being ejected that way, accelerating that way, is going to have an opposite reaction, and it's going to propel the car this.
Okay, so let's try that again. Hey, I went back a little bit. Now we're going to try it with marbles in it.
What are we doing when we add marbles? What are we adding to it?
We're adding glass marbles to it.
Okay, but what are we doing by doing that? We're adding mass, right?
Yes. So we're going to add 2. Hopefully that is enough. If not, I'm going to have to do it like 3 or 4 times.
So the more mass that's being displaced, the more acceleration, the greater the reaction of the force, right?
Yeah. So let's...
Put it all the way up against the board.
Okay, let's try this again.
Whoa, look how much farther the car went.
Yeah, it left out 10 rollers.
It went a distance of 10 rollers, which is about 6 inches. So just adding those 2 additional marbles, that much extra mass created a much greater opposite reaction, propelling the Newton car much farther. So why don't we add 2 more marbles and see how much more propulsion we can generate.
So let's just get this open. I'm gonna add 2 more marbles.
Okay.
2 medium marbles.
Other way.
There we go. So let's reset this.
The other variable is to add more rubber bands, but we are limited to 1 rubber band. That we had to get off the newspaper today.
Okay, you ready? I'm going to do a countdown. 3, 2, 1, go!
Wow, look at that. Look how much farther it went. That went about 10 inches there, and it would have gone farther, but it ran out of rollers.
I left out 20 rollers.
So you a little more than doubled the mass of
And it only let 6 in.
It would have gone farther, but it ran out of rollers. So what do? We almost doubled the mass that was inside the container being propelled out, right?
But
and we almost got
you show it over here, since 4 marbles are in the medicine bottle, it went less farther.
Correct. Because there's more... Gravity was affecting it more because it had more
there was
mass.
more mass.
So when we doubled the mass of the object, we got almost twice the distance, didn't we? it means we generated almost twice the propulsion.
Yes, so if you want to try this yourself, go ahead. It's just take either a clothes hanger and cut it, or take something else like
Wooden dowel.
yeah, and if you wooden, take whatever you take, like
A
if
board?
you take a big board and just cut it this much and get a clothes hanger. You're gonna have to sacrifice a clothes hanger. And you're only gonna cut out 3 parts of it. And what my dad did is he chiseled the tops with scissors to make the clothes hanger go in easier.
Right? Did we drill holes with the drill?
Yes. Where's the drill?
And then we hammered it in, right?
Yeah. We hammered it in. And we also took a medicine bottle from the medicine cupboard from the kitchen. And all we did was took drinking straws and laid them out as the rollers. So if you want to try this at home, go ahead. And I also forgot the string and the rubber band. If you want to try this at home, go ahead.
What's it called again, honey? It's called a It's a Newton car, right?
Yes, it is a Newton car, as the book says. And if you're wondering
Why do they call it a Newton car?
Because
Who's it named after? Remember in the books, or Isaac? He developed the Newton's laws of motion, right?
yeah. And if you're wondering what kind of book we got this from, it's a rocket book.
From where? A rocket book from where? Who made the rocket book?
NASA.
Yeah. All right.
Bye. If you want to try this at home, go ahead. Remember all the things that you need to create it. And also, don't forget to set this on top and do not hold it, or else it won't go far back. Okay.
Sign off now.
Bye.